we talked a lot about why one should learn programming. Now let us try to understand what exactly programming is. Assume that you have a problem. For example, you have a big book or a Word document. You need to find out how many times the author name is printed in the book. This is an example, guys. Now let us see how this problem can be solved. A normal person from high level will say he will read page by page and look for author name and start counting author name till he reach to the end of the book. Simple, right? But here lot many processing we are doing in our head, but we have not mentioned here. Now let us see how the programmer can think of the same problem solution. Here you will realize how programming help you to think logically and step by step. So let us start. The programmer mind will get the book, then he will open the first page, start reading line by line to find the author name. If he found author name, then every time increment author name count by 1. He also need to check if he reached to the end of the page and is this the last page of the book. If yes, then author name count is the number of time author name present and he is done. Else, move to the next page and repeat the step 4 to 7 again. This is how the programmer mind can think to solve this problem, and whatever steps he has captured, same steps can be implemented as is in the programming. See how systematically we have arrived at these steps. We have covered all the cases and from all the angles we have thought of and covered those in our solution. In programming language, guys, writing such steps called as algorithms. Algorithm, you can say it is a process of writing all the tasks sequentially step by step, which you will carry out during solving your problem. In real life also, if you have a problem and if you list down all the solutions step by step, then this will give you entirely different level of clarity about your problem and help you to solve the problem with optimal solution. Hence, I have said in the previous lecture that programming improves the problem solving capability immensely. Now let us come to main topic, what programming is. So programming is again a simple thing, whatever algorithm which we have written, converting that algorithm in such a way that machine or computer can understand and carry out tasks automatically without human intervention. This is called as programming. If you would have observed the difference of how normal mind versus programming mind will think, programmer mind will think in detail and covering all the logical aspects of problem. This is the demonstration of why you should learn programming. So get ready, guys, the journey of learning programming is about to start and it's going to be an exciting, awesome and much rewarding journey ever. And it will hold the potential to bring paradigm shift in your career. So stay tuned, guys.